The tense of a verb tells us that it is present, past, or future. The aspect gives us other information. There are three aspects: simple, continuous, perfect. The simple aspect refers to the whole of an activity or event, and not just part of it. Future simple, I will have a bath tonight. Past simple, I worked from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Present simple, I go to the office by car. Simple aspect is used to describe a general truth. Big cars use a lot of petrol. Simple aspect is used to describe a complete event or series of events. We went to Spain for our holiday. Simple aspect is used to describe a repeated, habitual action. Classes start at 9 o'clock. Simple aspect is used to describe feelings, perceptions, etc., i.e., any verb that is not an activity verb. I understood the lecture quite well. The continuous aspect describes an event, or series of events, at some point between its beginning and its end. It is used with activity verbs, for example play, run, walk, go, move, drive, etc., and it is the activity which is important, rather than the end result. Present continuous, they're working at the moment. Past continuous, I was reading when you phoned. Future continuous, at this time tomorrow we'll be saying goodbye. Continuous aspect is used to describe an activity in progress. I was working in the garden when she called. Continuous aspect is used to describe a repeated action which is temporary, and viewed at some time between the beginning and end of the temporary period. I am cycling to work this week because my car's in the garage. Continuous aspect is used to describe a temporary situation viewed at some point between its beginning and its end. I'm living in London at the moment. The perfect aspect can be either simple or continuous. It tells us that the activity or state being discussed occurs or starts before a certain point in time. That the activity or state has an important connection with that later point in time. Present perfect. I have been to France twice. The events occurred before the present time, now. Past perfect. It was 1946. The war had finished and Jack had left the army. The events occurred before the past time, 1946. Future perfect. Come tomorrow at 7:30. I will have had dinner by then. Dinner will occur before a future time, tomorrow at 7:30. Complete the sentence. Right answer is C, both. Both aspects are possible. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, don't like. Simple aspect is used to describe a general truth, a complete event, a repeated, habitual action, any verb that is not an activity verb. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, explained. Simple aspect is used to describe a general truth, a complete event, a repeated, habitual action, any verb that is not an activity verb. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, will make. Simple aspect is used to describe a general truth, a complete event, a repeated, habitual action, any verb that is not an activity verb. Complete the sentence. Right answer is C, had finished. Past perfect, the events occurred before the past time. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, will have done. Future perfect, the event will occur before a future time.